Hi friends, today we're going to draw Mario. Let's have some fun with this. Take your time and remember you're doing great. We'll start with Mario's big round nose. Next, let's move up to draw his eyes. Just two simple shapes. Wonderful. You're really getting it now. Now, let's give Mario his iconic mustache. Just a few smooth curves under his nose, and there it is. Good job. After that, we'll draw his mouth with a big smile. And add a little line for his chin too. Now, let's move on to his eyebrows. Keep it simple. You're doing amazing. Let's add a bit of his hair at the sides, then we can gently sketch out his cheeks, chin and jaw. Beautiful work. Going all the way to his ear and forehead. Don't worry if it's not perfect. This is your version of Mario and looks amazing. Now, let's get that famous hat drawn. Start with the curve on top of his head and add the M. Fantastic. Draw the rest of the head. You're doing so well. Under his ear, we'll draw a little strand of hair. Next up, we'll move down and draw his arms, torso and legs all in one smooth motion. Keep going, you're almost there. Wonderful. To make your drawing pop, add a line to show the difference between light and shadow. Finally, we'll draw Mario's two hands. Nice and simple. You did an incredible job. If you want, go ahead and color him in. Make him your own. I hope you had fun today, because I sure did. Remember, every drawing is a success as long as you enjoyed the process. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you next time.